An Android update can change app permissions, battery settings, or compatibility, which is why KashKick may stop working immediately after your phone updates. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest ways to get KashKick working again on your Android device. Start by force closing KashKick and opening it again. A fresh launch often clears temporary problems that appear after an operating system update. If the issue continues, restart your phone. Rebooting reloads Android system services that may not have started correctly after the update. Next, open the Google Play Store and check whether there's a newer version of KashKick available. App developers commonly release updates after Android updates to fix crashes, loading problems, and compatibility issues. If the app opens but certain features don't work, review its permissions. Go to your Android settings, open the app section, select KashKick, and check that the permissions the app requires are still enabled. Android updates can sometimes change or reset permission settings. You should also clear the app's cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, choose KashKick, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without affecting your account. If the problem continues, reinstalling the app can replace damaged files that may have been left behind after the system update. Your internet connection is another thing to check. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the problem is caused by your network instead of the app. If offers aren't tracking or pages won't load, testing another connection is a simple way to rule out connectivity issues. Battery optimization can also interfere with some apps after an Android update. Open your battery settings and make sure KashKick isn't being aggressively restricted while you're trying to use it. If none of these steps solve the problem, the issue may be related to compatibility between the latest Android version and the current KashKick release. Contact KashKick support and include your Android version, phone model, and a clear description of what happens when you open or use the app. That information makes it easier for the support team to investigate update-related problems. To recap, restart the app and your phone, install the latest KashKick update, check app permissions, clear the cache or reinstall the app, test another interconnection and contact support if the issue continues after the Android update. If this video helped you get KashKick working again, leave a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and check out our other app fix videos.